What's up everybody? My name is Giancarlo and I'm going to cook some mussels for you today. There's so many ways to cook them, but I'm going to cook them my favorite way, which includes using this. Not sponsored, by the way. Anyways, let's get cooking. I promise you, this is a very simple recipe. You'll need chopped garlic, cherry tomatoes cut in half, the star of the dish, fresh mussels. Be sure to remove the beard, scrub off as much muck as you can from the shell, and make sure they smell fresh. Discard the open ones. A little bit of butter in your life won't hurt. Some breadcrumbs for your sauce. Seasoning, a brown ale preferably. And chiffonade of basil. To chiffonade, stack the basil leaves together and roll it like you would a cigar. Yeah, that's right. Then finally slice. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now let's get cooking. In your pot, combine olive oil and butter. Sauté your cherry tomatoes and season. I like seasoning every step of the way just to build layers of flavor. Once the skin starts to blister, add in your garlic and gently sauté until aromatic. Avoid browning. Add in your mussels and stir to combine. Very simple, right? I hope you're following so far. Add in your beer. Half of your basil. Surprise, surprise, season again. Bring it to a boil, then cover and let it steam for about 3 minutes to allow the alcohol to evaporate. Add your breadcrumbs and mix well. This is to thicken the sauce. Cover and let it simmer until the mussels are fully open, about 3 to 5 minutes. To finish the sauce, add in the rest of the basil, then monté or mount it with butter. The reason why I add butter is to make the sauce shine and it creates another layer of flavor. Let everything just come together. Adjust your seasoning if needed and you're done. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, a simple and delicious recipe that can surely impress whoever you're cooking for. There are many variations of this recipe, but I like this simple one. Thank you all for watching. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Until next time.